Hey friends, if you wish to fix service host network network usage on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now I will stick to two solutions only because it is because of a certain service. The first one is a clean boot. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the service tab. Hide all Microsoft service. If any of the service is checked, click on disable or apply OK and then restart the computer. Now this will disable all services except for the ones which are required by Microsoft. And the next one is to reset Windows Update components. One may say why? I mean, this is not related to the problem. It is actually, I'll tell you why it is related, because it will restart the services which are causing the problem. For example, the background intelligence transfer service. So simply copy this list of commands that I will share in the description section. Search for command prompt, click on run as administrator, paste it and hit enter. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates, delete the Windows Update profile, delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders, re-register the DLLs, and then reset WinSock, and then finally restart the services, thus easing the high network usage. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.